you're slick. This is warmer. Yeah, this is warmer. I know. Your head's not so big. Oh, there you go. Good job.
Did you see those, Fred?
There's a footprint.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. You
And
are
you'll
pretty
get
good
this
at
in the
that.
mail to save in your book.
I said yesterday, I was like, I think it's my best work ever. But I don't know, today it might be. Oh, you gonna send a video of her screaming to everybody?
All our family is in Wisconsin and Minnesota.
Oh, yeah?
So
I'm sure they're waiting.
they are awaiting a word. Have to wait a little bit more.
Okay.
Did you say you would like to do it?
A-N-E-I.
A-N-E-I.
Okay.
Hello. Hello. Mommy.
You meet your.
I can't lean up very far.
Now guess. Did you see baby Toby? Do you think baby Toby is a boy or a girl?
A boy?
No.
Girl?
A girl. You have a sister.
I put a sister too.
Yeah.
You did?
I
And you
know
know what?
there's a sister.
And you know what her name is?
But
Emily. Yeah.
Is that a good name?
You like that name?
Yeah. Josh,
Come
will
on,
you
want
bring
to
the
come
baby?
say hi?
I have a camera.
Yeah. That's a
Want to come
camera.
say hi? Say hi. Hi, sister.
Here, Josh, should we want me to lift you up?
Want to see baby Emily?
Good job, Kurt.
It's baby Emily.
What do you guys think? Should we keep her?
No.
What do you think, Bella? Should we keep her?
Don't you want to keep her?
Keep the baby?
No.
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 What are we going to do with her?
Can I move her?
Yes, you can.
I
Okay, why don't you sit down on the couch?
can. I should move.
Couch, yes. Hi.
Mama, where you